Also guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, like and sharing. So today I'm going to be unboxing the LOL surprise big baby. I'm so happy. Today I don't have McSwag or Queen Bee, but today I have Bun Bun. And I really like this because it looks like a phone here and it says live and it also says, look, I'm so big. So let's get unboxing. Children, remember to ask a parent before you use your scissors. And now we have to open this side. That's all. Okay, now this side. Well, I think you have to also do the other side, yeah. Okay, since I've already cut the tape, open it like this. I can also see more tape here, so I'm just going to place it very quickly. And the other side. Nice. And yeah. Okay, and now you have to jam it all out. Okay, that was easy. I'm just going to. Okay, I'm just going to put this one right there, and I guess this is our first surprise. Okay, time to unbox it. Ooh, it's a little table with some breakfast on it. Ooh, it looks so nice, and it has some tape here so that I can keep it steady. Let's just leave it right here. And now let's get another surprise. There we go. And just put that there. And it says step up, and it has a high heel there. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's wrapped. Two little tiny shoes, really cute and adorable. I'm just going to leave them right there and put it right here. Now the next one is going to be this one. Okay. This one's kind of, maybe it's from the bottom. Yeah, it's from the, yay! Take that out. Okay. Ooh, it's a cute little num num bag. It has some of that. Very cute. Put that right there. And now, next surprise. Okay, got it out. Got that out. Put it like this. Ooh, it's a little like num num bag. Put that right there. Ooh, it's some little teddy bears and some little headphones. Really cute. Let's put them right there. And now for the next surprise. I'm just going to do that. Oh, removed. Okay, let's see. Let's open that. Ooh, it's a little tiny skirt, but not that tiny. It's medium, and a little sweater, and that's all. I think so. Let's see. Yeah, it's all. Now time for the grand finale. Let's see. We need to remove her feet first. Oh yeah, there's something right here I need to remove. I think if I use my scissors, it will remove. There we go. Little bum bum, or should I say big one. Hi bum bum. Okay, so let's put bun bun right there, and let's see. There's supposed to be another. Let's look for the next surprise, but before we look for it, stay tuned to part 2, because this is part 1. Bye.